Number 16. The photomicrograph shows a cross-section through a plant stem. What is the name and function of the tissue labeled X? So, if you look at the structure X, you can see relatively it's got bigger circle than the other ones. So this part, or these parts, are collectively called vascular bundle. So vascular bundle consists of two things: xylem and phloem. The xylems are always concentrated towards the center, and phloem are placed on the outer sides. Okay? Outer sides. So, in this case, X is of course xylem, so the answer is either C or D. And the function of xylem is to transport water and minerals. Transporting sugars is the function of phloem.